What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over part 2 of email marketing training. When it comes to marketing online, this is a tool that you need, a skill set that you will need to make money online, because all it is building a large email list and sending out your offers to these lists. And that's all it is about, guys, filling those automatic system with leads. So that's what I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do today, how to build your list, how to start your campaigns, start your follow-up sequence on autopilot, so you can do the things that you love to do, stay with your kids, travel, whatever you're doing, guys, your business is on autopilot. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to know how to make some daily cash. So click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video. So what you want to do is come over here to Aweber, and if you don't have an Aweber account, I will put the link below. We can go ahead and get an account. It's free for 30 days. Go ahead, use it, see how you like it. After that, guys, choose a plan that you could go with. I chose the $29.99 plan a month. That's enough subscribers for me, and if I have to upgrade, I will. But it's free for 30 days. The link will be below. Once you create your account, click log in. Once you click log in, all you have to do is go to manage list. Once you click manage list, create a list. As you see, I have multiple lists down here. I have a few that I just created, and let's move this out of the way. You can put your company's name right here. You can also put your link, your address, your email. Just make sure you put everything that you need to put in there. What is the name of the list that you want to be named? I keep mine with my business, so either I'm doing Newbies on Fire or $25 one-up. If you don't know about those two companies, there will be some information below. But those are the automatic system that gets me paid multiple commissions every single day. And I just use those and I connect it to my Aweber. So use this for Newbies on Fire. Alright, you can use this for Newbies on Fire or $25 one-up. So what I'm gonna just do is put Newbies on Fire, because that's mainly the one I'm promoting right now. We'll put 3 because I already have 2, and then I'm just gonna put learn how to make money. And then you just go to the next step. You gotta put that, and once you get here, we're gonna go ahead and just approve this message, but we're not gonna need it. And why we're not gonna need this part, guys, is because you don't want your leads to have to confirm to be added to your list. You want them to be automatically added, because most people are not gonna sign up to receive emails every day. Unsubscribe, just unsubscribe, and the people that stays inside your list are quality leads, okay? So go ahead, approve that. We're gonna knock that off, guys, in this next step. What you're gonna do is come over here to list options, go down to list settings. Once you get to list settings, all you have to do is come all the way down to confirmation message, and we're gonna turn it off. Make sure both of these are red. So just go ahead and click yes. Take that off and make sure save the settings. Make sure that you save the settings, okay? So what you're going to do next is come over here back to home, and you're going to start a message, create a message. We always use the drag and drop. You can add different elements inside of these emails other than just the plain one. I would put open multiple emails like this with a full bank account, watch videos, and just get started. Here I would put subject, it would be $500 payment, or confirm $500 payment. Alright, so most people will open this, and I would just put open multiple emails like this with a full bank account, and you could highlight this and add a link Now what you could do is go to your Newbies on Fire and add your presentation video or your $25 video or whatever business that you're a part of. You can add it here in the URL part. And what you want to do is just go ahead and click OK once you have done that. You can add a picture, a video, you can add a product, a follow me like a Instagram. It's just a lot of things that you can use over here inside of your emails to get your content across to your email list. So what you want to do, I mainly will put my YouTube channel, get more YouTube subscribers, YouTube views through your list as it grows. So you can put whatever you want to be seen in the watch this video, okay, add link, or you can change the words, whatever you want. And when you join my team, you can get the same. I could copy my code and give you the emails that I personally use that help me get paid through email marketing. Also, I will give you multiple email swipes that all you have to do is just copy, paste, and edit them, take the links out, put your names and your links in, and you're good to go. That's what I do for my team, and it works. You need to have a follow-up sequence, guys. So a lot of people do not buy on the first go, okay? So what you want to do is save and exit and send options, add to follow-up series, add to follow-up series. And when you do that, guys, it's gonna send this email out immediately, and then boom, you just created you a sequence. This is the first email that'll go out once somebody goes through one of your capture pages that's connected to this list. And I'm gonna show you how to connect it to your list. Send that one out immediately. Once you create your next message, all you have to do, guys, is freestyle, or you can copy my code, and once again, you just create a next message. Do the same thing. Choose when do you want to send it out, 1 day or 2 days after the first message, and just go from there. So how do you add your list to Newbies on Fire? What you want to do, you're going to come to settings, and you're going to go all the way down to third party autoresponder. You go to third party autoresponder, you're going to come over here to your list, options, settings, and you're going to copy your list right here. Now once you copy this list, you're going to put it inside here, and you're going to add it, and that's how I know where to send your leads. All right, what list to send your leads to once they go through one of your capture pages. Now another thing I want to say is you come over here to tools and go to your pages. Inside these emails that you're sending out to your list, guys, you do not want to send another capture page. You already have the emails. So if they haven't created an account yet, guys, you go ahead and send like the landing page with the video, or any other sales page that you may have inside, like this sale page. But do not send another capture page, because you already have the email. It will be pointless, and 9 times out of 10 they are not going to keep signing up and putting their name into something like a capture page if they're already inside your list. So that's basically it. You're connected now. Inside the emails, once you make the messages, just like I showed you, inside the links you can put one of the pages. So that's it. You want to keep all of your funnels, your sales funnels full. You want to keep leads coming in daily. That's how you're going to make daily cash. So that's part 2 of email marketing and how to connect it to your Newbies on Fire account. If you like this content, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.